Welcome to Continuing Professional Development Accreditation System or simply CPDAS. For today's orientation, tuturuan po natin ang ating mga professional na makapag-register at magkaroon ng kanilang CPDAS account. So first, you have to access our website through cpdas.prc.gov.ph. At the homepage of our CPDAS, sa upper right corner, click Registration. Click Professional Registration. Read and understand the terms of service in using our system. And if you are amenable to it, at the lower portion, click Yes, I have read, understood, and agree to these terms of service. Basically, you just have to input all your details, including your license. Select your profession. By the way, kung kayo po ay holder ng multiple licenses, like for example, kayo po ay nurse, and at the same time, physician din po kayo, you have to create 2 different CPDAS account. And if you are employed, please include the details of your current employer. So yung company name, the position, company address, and of course, the telephone number. Kung kayo naman po ay self-employed, please skip this portion po. Next is to nominate your official email address. Take note po na ang sabi ko po kanina, if you are a holder of multiple licenses, you have to create 2 distinct CPDAS account. And at the same time, you have to nominate 2 distinct email addresses po. Itong email address na to ay siya ring magiging username ninyo later kapag in-access na po ninyo ang inyong CPDAS account. And of course, the password that you want po for the security of your account. And for the password, afterwards, click Next. So ito po yung summary ng inyong pong pre-provide na details regarding your profession. So review lang po natin kung kompleto at tama naman po siya. Click Submit Application. Then proceed. So with this, the application has already been submitted. Please log in your account in the preceding page. So as simple as that. So your username should be your email address and the password is the one that you have provided earlier po. So click Login. Dito po sa dashboard natin, makikita po natin dito yung summary ng ating mga programs, yung statistics ng current application po natin for SDL para makakuha po tayo ng CPD units. And at the lower portion naman po is kung meron po tayong mga concerns, issues, or mga questions, you can directly po send a message to the concerned CPD Council Secretary. Then they will respond to you as soon as possible. So parang magiging ano po to, chat box po ninyo. So dito sa upper part, kung kayo po ay a-attend ng mga CPD program na na-accredit po sa CPDAS, coming from the accredited CPD providers, lalabas po dito yung information. For as long as nakapag-encode or upload yung certain CPD provider na nagbigay po ng CPD program. So kung may mga concern kayo na kung bakit hindi pa po lumalabas dito, yung details po ng mga na-attendan ninyo or napuntahan ninyong accredited CPD program sa CPDAS, you may contact directly the CPD provider to follow up. Kasi sila po yung mag-upload ng attendance sheet para po lumabas po sa mga individual CPDAS account po ng kanilang mga attendees or participants.